Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. It's your girl Janae Simone. I'm super duper excited about today's video, okay? My boyfriend is letting me cut his hair and redo his dreads. So I am going to be, fading them up, cutting them up, making them look right and tight. And then I'm going to be twisting his dreads. This is the first time that I have done either of these. So I am super duper excited. So, yeah, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now and stay tuned. He asked me if I'm nervous, and I said no, but I am. I'm nervous, you guys. But I really think I could do this. I mean, like, honestly, how hard can it be? I've been with him to the barbershop several times. Yeah, so we just went to the store, the hair store, and I just picked out some products I thought would be awesome to try out, to use. And we're about to go back to my house, and we're about to do this thing. Okay, you guys, so we are here. We're about to do this. Wish me luck, okay? So anyways, so his hair is already washed, so I'm gonna just put, I'm gonna put it up for now because we're about to cut it first, okay?
Don't be nervous, please.
Are you nervous?
I am, but trust you.
Okay, but then don't be nervous.
Alright, for sure.
I got this.
I hope so.
I got it. Okay. So you're gonna just put this up so it's out of the way. Okay. We're gonna use this Conar brush to just get his hair all in one direction. So we're on quarantine still in California, and my base barber is kind of unavailable. So I felt like I've seen him get his hair cut like so many times. I think I can do this.
All right.
Oh, I did watch 2 YouTube videos on how to cut hair, so I feel like a pro. Okay, so the trimmer that we're going to be using is the Braun trimmer. I'm going to put that on the screen in case I pronounce that wrong. It's B-R-A-U-N. So we're going to be using this hair trimmer. We're going to be fading it up on the sides and then then not fading it. So we're going to start with 0, which is no guard thing on it. Okay, you ready, babe?
Alright. Oh, alright, good. Go ahead. Go ahead, mama. Go ahead.
So just to be clear, so you keep your sideburns, right?
Yeah, I keep this one here.
Okay.
Just go up.
So I'm gonna be starting from here.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
The way you hold it is making me nervous.
Babe, don't be nervous. Look at it, it's looking so good. Whoa. Okay. Let's see, I want them to kind of see this, so I'm gonna actually turn you this way so they can see me what I'm doing. Okay?
What? You did it wrong?
I'm just joking, babe.
Oh my god.
He always play hecka much with me, so.
Oh god.
But I do need to get this a little bit better. Okay, so now we're going to take the clippers up one. So the cool thing about this trimmer is that the guards are actually.
You don't mind if I show you? Okay.
No. Boom. So you can actually switch the guards with this like little thing. So super a great tool for like beginners because you don't have to put the, stop, John.
I'm gonna wash first. Go ahead.
You don't trust me. You don't trust me. So anyways, so yeah, we're gonna just go to we're gonna go to
Number 2.
All right.
Now you gotta go up.
Oh,
Like,
I got it, babe. I think I'm actually gonna move it down to 1.
why?
Why?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to stay on 2?
Stay on 2. Just keep doing it. Feint it. You gotta feint it. You gotta push your pressure on it.
Yeah, I just don't want it, you know, do too much. Okay, we're gonna leave it on 2. I'm supposed to compete with that. Let me show y'all this. This is what his barber does. This is what his barber does. Y'all see that? Hold on. What do you mean? And stop. No. So that's what I'm competing with. You're gonna have a new barber now. I'm gonna be a barber.
So you're doing great, Mama, actually.
You think so, babe?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now see this one here, if you can just keep putting it down. Like, let me show you. If you hold it like this, see? That's what you have to do now.
Okay. Is it supposed to, am I supposed to touch your scalp?
Yeah, a little bit. Because it's on 2, you don't have to, it's not gonna cut everything because it's on 2. Now go down like that.
I'm a pro, y'all. It's even. Okay, so now let's go to the other side.
See, Mama?
What?
Actually, I'm kind of surprised.
See, because you was doubting me. Don't be doubting me.
Don't fool yourself.
Don't fool myself. I'm good at this. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm good at this. Okay. So we're going to start with 0, right? So I'm going to take this off. Okay, we're gonna take a break because I gotta pee. What? What, John? Get on my nerves. You really get on my nerves. Put your head back.
Okay, fine.
Your head back.
My little sister's here, so go ahead.
And kill you?
Oh. Ooh, look at this, Mama.
Yeah, I'm a pro.
You're a pro.
Motion.
I love you.
No.
Let me come in.
No.
Let me
Why?
come in.
Okay.
See? So you can see more. I'm just trying to help you out.
No, you're trying to do my job. I'm the barber. You're like not the barber. So
Okay. I'm just trying to give you credit.
You're not giving me credit. You sitting here trying to do it yourself. So do it yourself.
You did a great job.
Okay, so
I'm
why are
giving
you not
you
letting,
credit.
so you're not even letting me finish. Okay, you guys, so I just did his hair. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Put it down a little bit so you can see. I'm gonna take some pictures too. But yeah, and his beard and mustache a little bit too. So yes, now we're about to do this head of dreads. This is my first time doing dreads, so we just picked up some products that I think might work. So the products we're gonna be using is this Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. And we're also gonna be using this Black Castor Oil Braid Lock and Twist Gel. A combination of the two. Okay, you guys, so I'm also going to be using these like silver clips just to, you know, keep the dread held tight at the base. So yeah, let's get to it. Wish me luck. Boyfriend makeover. Okay, you guys, so we're almost done. I had my girl Mariah help me out because otherwise it would have took forever. So we got a few more dreads to do, and then I'm gonna show you guys his makeover after he's under the dryer and everything.
Gang, 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 gang. What? I can see you, Mariah.
Okay.
By the way, this is Mariah. That's my little sister. I know we look different kind of, but she's
Not
half,
really.
half. She's half black and half white.
And you're
Well,
black.
I'm a real African, straight, okay?
Okay.
Original, so she's.
You're real African, so you're saying I'm not real?
Nope, you're fake.
Don't say that.
That's rude.
Okay, that's not true. Right?
Do you want
Okay,
to
okay,
or
so,
no?
yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
there's still a good amount left, so yeah, we're about to just finish up the last few dreads here. No, slow down a little.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. I just want to let y'all know that I am a professional hairstylist after today. I mean, like, this is the best boyfriend makeover ever. Would you don't agree?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Okay. All right. Okay, you guys, so we're about to start this dryer to get these dreads dry. Okay, you guys, so we let the dreads dry for about 45 minutes under the dryer, and now we're gonna take them out to see how they look. So hopefully they're good because I worked really hard on these. Like, all right, are you ready, babe?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna start from the back. Okay, you guys, so these are the final results of his dreads and his haircut that I did for him. I mean, when I say I'm a pro, okay, I mean it. Okay, so yep, I mean, I feel like it could have dried a little more longer so it can have like a tighter hold, but overall, it was pretty good. Go ahead, shake them.
Shake the dreads.
Go. All right, you guys, to do a quick review on these products, starting with the Locking Firm Wax by Jamaican Mango and Lime. I honestly don't feel like this did too well. It does say it's an extra hold. And this is a very good line, especially for dreads and twists and things. But as far as locking and holding, don't spend your bucks on it, in my opinion. On the other hand, this African Pride Black Castro Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel was awesome. So it really is like a really thick consistency. We actually didn't even make that big of a dent in it, so this can be used like quite a few more times. But it's a really thick, kind of like an edge control consistency, and I really think that's what helped his locks stay. All right, you guys, so I just styled his hair in like 2 kind of jumbo twists. Put your head down, babe. So yep, this is my boyfriend makeover. Let me zoom in so I can see his face more. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now show your hair, babe. Brush to the, brush to the, brush to the. So yes, now tell them how amazing of a hairstylist I am.
Actually, she's really good at it. I was a little bit confused and scared, but hey, you did a great job. I give you 100%.
Oh, okay, I was about to say.
She was like, wait a minute, are you gonna give what?
Okay. And thank you so much, Mariah, for helping out.
She was the assistant in Mariah.
Yes.
So this is I have 2 beautiful ladies next to me.
For sure. All right, you guys. So we will see you guys on the next one.
All right.
Bye.